Hello, amazing family. I welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl, Glory Chege. Yeah. All right. I know that this is not our regular kind of content, but please bear with me. I'm going to explain why I am making this video. All right, family. The truth is that no one ever told me that it's going to be this way. I knew I knew it's never going to be easy, but to this extent, honestly, I never saw it coming. So you guys remember I told you as of last year that I relocated, me and my family relocated back to Nigeria from India. Yes, I remember I posted like 2 videos or more that I've made that statement of me relocating back to Nigeria. Now the truth is I said it and I know it that relocation is not easy, but believe me, at this point is getting to my head. Now the thing is, you know that most of the posts I make here on my channel is whenever I am working with a cake, I'm working on a cake, then that helps me to get my teaching for you guys. It helps me to upload more videos at all times. I can't just go to the market and buy things and start baking cake and then mixing up fondant and start teaching. You know it's not possible. Yes, it's whenever I am working on a cake, then from there I can get content and get teaching to post over here for you, my amazing family. All right, so this is the thing. It's not like I have not been doing my best to advertise myself. I have. But when I say relocation, I don't mean relocating from one state to another. This is practically relocating from a different continent, a different country, down to another. Now, I have a lot of things I have lost. I have lost my items, my baking materials, a lot. Now, I'm practically building my life from scratch. I am like a newbie. Okay, I am like a newbie, and where I am is not even a place I have stayed before. Not like I know the people here knows me already. Maybe we just parted our ways because I traveled. No, these are people I am meeting for the first time. They are meeting me for the first time as well. Lagos is a new environment for me. I have never lived here while I was in Nigeria. I never based in Lagos. In fact, everything is just new for me. All right. I have tried several things. I have tried my best to see if I can build customers. These things doesn't come easy. They never come easy. So while I'm talking about not even having customers, let me speak about my baking items. You know, coming back from a different country, you don't just rush into the market and start buying things. You need to settle down. You need to. There are a lot of things, and I came back with a family, so a lot of things to settle down. Now, fall back to me buying the items I need. This is something I need to build gradually. I just last month I got my oven and got some few items I can use to start up my life. Now over here in Nigeria, baking is a competition. Just my streets alone, there are 2 people I know baking. The ones I know that bakes, plus myself, 3. I don't know of the ones I don't even know. So you see, it's a competition. Now to gain one particular customer, it's gonna be like a hassle for me. But I'm ready. I'm ready to wait and I'm ready to hustle for it. Okay. But for this meantime, please, guys, bear with me. Please bear with me. We are going to be baking once in a while. That is the truth. And I'm going to be posting my lifestyle content over here. I'm going to be taking you through my life journey here in Nigeria. And I want you all to bear with me. Believe me, any video I post and you want to ask me any question concerning cake, please be free to ask me, okay? And I will be here to answer you. So here is my husband's shop, and this is where I manage with him for now. I am here sometimes, and whenever I have a cake order, I attend to it as well. So my beautiful family, it was nice seeing you guys once again. Bye bye.